Why they tell you to save money?
I don't know.
Because the system of banking, it's the banks run the world. The rich run the world. So let's say you save $1 US or €1, 1 yen. The banking system can lend out 10. So the entire system is called the fractional reserve system. The fractional reserve system is also printing money. Then they tell you to save money. So they want you to save money so they can lend out your money 10 times. So your dollar became worthless 10 times over. And then they used to pay you 10% interest on your money. Now it's at best 1%. And they're still lending it out 10 times. So that's why you don't save money, is because your money is becoming worth less and less and less and less and less. The banks are getting richer and richer and richer. Then they tax you on that interest they pay you, that 1% interest if they pay you that much. Now, if I borrow money, guess what? Do I pay taxes on debt?
I guess no.
This is what I'm saying. Question everything.
Okay.
So when they lend out money, that's how money is created. Money is debt.